kids better behave in church today.
I don't see why I have to go anyway. I'm a pagan.
Bart!
I don't want to go to church either. I'm a pagan, too.
Well, you're going to church so you can like it or lump it.
If I'm not mistaken, Dad, a tire just blew. Thank you, nature.
What a beautiful paganistic day. Come on, Maggie, let's dance.
Grab that tire iron, boy.
We pagans would like to help you, Homer, but it's against our beliefs to soil our hands with greasy tools of sin.
Lisa, Maggie, knock that nonsense off.
It's too late, Dad.
What the hell are you talking about?
Pagan rain dance works every time.
Mom, Dad, look! We're pagans!
Why, those little...
Ironically enough, Bart, this house of worship has proven to be our sanctuary.
Yes, but still my pagan soul yearns to roam free.
No problem. After the sermon, we'll make a run for it.
Shut up! If you gotta act like savages, do it outside.
Come on, men. Hold out your arms.
Oh, boy! Jungle supplies!
Jumba ho, humba humba wumba ho, humba gumba jumba ho.
This fun, Barzanga.
Right on, Lee Sumba. Humba gumba gumba.
What the? Why those little...
Humba humba wumba ho, humba gumba jumba ho, humba gumba gumba.
Bart!
Uh-oh. Greetings, Buana.
We come in peace.
Bart, get me down from here.
But then he'll kill us.
What the hell are you kids watching?
It's Itchy and Scratchy.
Our favorite show.
Well, you're not watching it.
Aw, Dad.
Come on, Homer.
Nope, it's too violent. Go do something else.
Now I'm really bored.
I know. Dun 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 dun. It's the Bart Simpson Show, starring Bart Simpson, featuring the Bart Simpson Orchestra and the Bart Simpson Dancers. And now, here's the star of our show, Bart Simpson. Thanks, Ed. Funny thing happened on the way to the studio tonight. I ran over my dad's head on my bike.
I thought I told you kids not to watch violent TV.
It's stupid, but it's not violent.
Oh, yeah?
Bart? Why, you little...
Whoa, gotta run. Good night, folks.
Dinner! Hot meal! Come and get it! Hearty and nutritious, right here. Anyone who doesn't get his or her button here pronto will go without dessert. Hold it, everybody. We forgot to say grace.
Hey, that's right.
This family could use a little reverence around here.
Good drink, good meat. Good God, let's eat.
Hold on, all of you. There's no need to slurp your soup so loudly.
She's right, you little slobs.
Let's try a little dignity around here. I don't want to hear any slurping.
Right, Mom. Okie dokie, Mom.
You know, dinner shouldn't be eaten in silence. This should be a time for communication.
That's a good idea, dear. Bart, turn on the TV.
On tonight's news, bus plunge kills 43. Freak roller coaster accident decapitates.
Hey, there's only one cookie left.
All right, who'll swipe the rest of them?
Don't look at us, Dad.
Why'd I eat all those cookies?
Lay off those cookies, boy!
That jar is off limits, Bart. And if I catch you with so much as one cookie...
Mom! Dad! Bart's eating
little...
I didn't do it. I didn't do it. I didn't do it. I didn't do it. I didn't do it.
Wake up, Bart. Come on, snap out of it, boy.
You were only having a nightmare, Bart.
Yeah, boy. Everything's gonna be okay.
It was all a dream.
Here, Bart. Have a cookie.
Come on, Bart. Leap into your father's arms. Come on, just like the old days.
I'm too big now, Dad. There's no way.
Come on, boy. Leap. Do it. Atta boy. Come on, Bart. You call that a leap?
Dad, why are we doing this?
You've always been afraid of falling on your head ever since you were a little baby. I'm trying to help you overcome that fear.
You want me to jump? Because I've always been jumpy?
That's a good one, son. Always been jumpy.
Dad, this is really dumb. My head still hurts from the last 2 times.
Let's go, boy. No excuses. I want to see some gumption. Leap. Leap, boy. Leap like you'd never, leap like you never... What's the past tense of leap? Leapt? Leaped? That doesn't sound right. Well, what do you know? Leaped and leapt. They're both right.
But, Dad...
I haven't got all day. Now leap. And give it all you've got.
Do I have to?
Art. I'll get it. Good news, son. The boxing gloves have arrived.
What are you kids doing now?
We're having a contest, Mom.
What?
We're having a burp contest, Mom.
Well, knock it off. I do not allow burping in this house.
I love Mom.
But
The show must go on.
Bart, what did I say about burping? I said no burping. And when I say no burping, what do I mean? That's right, no burping. I know you won't disappoint me.
Watch this. The burp champion of the world.
Burp? I mean, Bart, are you burping again?
Maybe.
What is it with this burping? Why? What's the thrill?
it's fun.
It's crude. It's vulgar. It's impolite. And it's nauseating.
That's what I said. It's fun.
I'm still the burp champion of the world.
Bart, meet the new champ.
Watch this.
Oh, yeah?
Oh, you kids. I absolutely forbid burping in this household.
How's it going, everybody? Oops. Pardon my French.
Thanks, Dad.
Good one, Dad.